So now let's go and work out the square and cube numbers between 11 and 20 now. Okay, so square numbers is a number multiplied by itself. Cube numbers are multiplying a square number by the square root, and the square root are the factors that were multiplying by itself. So now let's go and learn now. So let's do 11 times 11, the first square number multiply. So 11 plus 11 is 22. Then 22 plus 11 is 33. So now we did multiply 11 times 3. Now let's go and continue the steps until we multiply by 11. 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, 88, 99, 110, 121. So the 11 times 11 is 121 and the square number of 11 is 121. Now the cube number of 11. Let's use box method. We're going to talk about it in the next video. So the square number of 11 is 121. So we're going to multiply 121 by 11. So it's going to be a 2 times 3 grid. Now let's partition the multiplicand and the multiplier, which are a pair of factors, different value, but the square number and the root. So multiply the number on the top by the number on the left-hand side. Like this. Above is 1 and across left is 10. So 1 times 10 is 10. So you write 10 in the top right now, box. 20 times 10 is 200. So you write 200 in the top middle box. Let's go and do the rest. So I hope this is how the rest of the numbers will look like as you are multiplying the top by the sides, So now we're going to use column addition to add them up together. 0 plus 1 is 1, 2 plus 1 is 3, 2 plus 1 is 3, and 1 plus none is 1. So we added all the numbers up together and we ended up with 1,331. So 1,331 is the cube number for 11, whilst 121 is the square number for 11. We will show you that symbol that looks like a mountain in future videos. Now for the square number for 12. So that means 12 years. That means how many months are there going to be in 12 years? So let's count. 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96, 108, 120, 132, and 144. So 144 is the square number because we counted 12 times by 12. That means multiplying 12 by itself. So now let's go and work out the cube number for 12. So we already know that the square number for 12 is 144. So we need to multiply that square number by the root. That means the root of that number is 12. So we have to multiply 144 times 12. Okay? So there is a slightly easier tip, but it's not that easy. Is to double it a lot of times. It means to multiply by 8 and multiply by 4 and then add these results up together. That means how to multiply by 8. That means double that number triple times and then go to the same number and then multiply that twice. So double it twice, I meant. So, and then you have to add these numbers up together. So let's go and show you. So what is 144 times 8? Let's do it. 144 and then 288 and then 576 and then 1152. So 1152 is what is 144 times 8. Now for 144 times 4. 144, 288, 576. So 144 times 4 is 576. So we are going to have to add up 1152 plus 576. So 2 plus 6 is 8, then 5 plus 7 equals 12. Exchange the 1 into the hundreds column, and 1 plus 5 plus 1 is 7, and 1 plus 9 is 1. So this number makes 1728, so 1728 is the cube number for 12. This is getting a bit longer, so I might have to speed this up a little bit. The square number of 13 is 169, and the cube number of 13 is 2197. Square number of 14, 196. Cube number of 14, 2744. Square number of 15 is 225. Cube number of 15 is 3375. 16 squared equals 256. 16 cubed equals 4096. 17 squared equals 289, and 17 equals 4913. 18 cubed is 5832. 18 squared is 324. And finally, we've got a surprise for you. We're going to say 20 cubed and squared slowly. So 20 times 20 equals 400, because you need to put these zeros together and multiply that digit, the first digit, by 2. So cubed. That means 20 times 20 is 400. 400 is a square number for 20, and the cube number for 20 is 8,000, because all you need to do, 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. And one more thing, you need to collect all of the zeros from all these three numbers, the same numbers, and then put them together in the product. The product is the answers in multiplication. The multiplicand is the number that will get multiplied, and the multiplier is the number which will multiply the multiplicand. But this is the end. I had to go through all of the other square and cube numbers so quickly because it was taking so long. Another thing you can find out square numbers is about when you add the sequence pattern of odd numbers and odd numbers all over again, right? So see you later. So bye, okay?